Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamun Milkshake at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh, ripe jamuns, ensuring they are sweet and juicy. Next, have 1 cup of chilled milk ready. Full-fat milk works wonderfully for a rich texture. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sugar, or adjust to your taste, and a small pinch of aromatic cardamom powder. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, refreshing drink. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the star of our milkshake, the jamuns. Begin by washing them thoroughly under cool running water. This ensures they are clean and ready for consumption. Next, carefully remove the large seeds from the jamun pulp. You can do this by hand or with a small knife. Once deseeded, you should have approximately half a cup of vibrant, purple jamun pulp ready for blending. It's time to bring all these wonderful ingredients together in your blender. Carefully add the deseeded jamun pulp, the chilled milk, and your 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, sprinkle in that small pinch of cardamom powder. It adds a lovely, subtle fragrance. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency with no visible lumps, creating a delightful base for your milkshake. Your homemade Jamun Milkshake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the freshly blended, vibrant purple milkshake into your favorite serving glasses. For an extra touch of elegance, you can garnish each glass with a few thin slices of fresh jamun or a sprig of mint. Serve this delightful beverage immediately to savor its refreshing, cool, and unique flavor. This recipe typically yields 2 generous servings, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.